We're at the Portsmouth Square Garage. These are the first elevators I ever filmed in San Francisco. It's been a long time since I've seen these. Look at how the lantern looks like the brick. No, these are bottom drive. Someone probably pushed both buttons. Put that one down.
就是จากบ้าน高手呀，第二个来说啊，发挥直接发动买了不用那么很难说的，就是花生是好的，就是方便面我没电，就要
Doors off center.
Yep. Yeah, that panel's way bigger than this one.
Yeah.
Interesting. Most of the buttons, if not all, have been replaced with atoms.
Yeah.
Go back to 4. I'll end it here. Okay. You gonna stay up here?
Yeah, I'll make it.
Okay. You want to switch down there?
Yeah, we can.
It's not too often you see the Dover logo like built into the panel like that. Most of the time it's like an actual emblem. Even the alarm was replaced. Cold buttons and everything. This one's the opposite. Interesting. Yeah, there's no Dover logo. Arrow's kind of messed up. Yeah, look at that cost. Alright, here I'll look at you.